increased tobacco taxes and new laws in place across the province, choosing to light up may now make you think twice about this age-old habit. And according to the Canadian Cancer Society, Saskatchewan residents are gradually taking a positive turn against tobacco use.
Slowly, our smoking statistics are coming down. We are still slightly above the national average. In the last Canadian Tobacco Use Monitoring Survey, our rates for people age 15 plus was 22. The average for Canada is 18%. We still have a stubbornly high teenage smoking rate. It's 18% here for teenagers compared to 13% nationally. And when you look at the 20 to 24, the young adult, it's 28%, like nearly 1/3 of that age group is using tobacco, is smoking. So that's a concern.
But Jasnik further adds that warning labels on tobacco products have made a difference over the years, and new labeling will hopefully combat the habit for many new smokers as well.
The health warnings in Canada are now 10 years old and have, quite frankly, grown stale with smokers. You know what it's like when you keep seeing the same thing over and over. You almost ignore it or you don't see it any longer. So we were very pleased to hear the federal health minister announce before Christmas that those warnings are going to be larger, more graphic, and different later this year, because studies have shown that they do motivate smokers to think about quitting and to quit, and they reach a smoker 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they also reach their family members and friends. So they are a great tool to educate the public about the harmful effects of tobacco.
And with a high average of youth in the province smoking or using chewing tobacco, the Canadian Cancer Society is hoping to engage the youth of Saskatchewan through the Let's Talk Tobacco contest.
Well, we just really would like to hear from young people what their perceptions are, what their views are about tobacco use, whether they have smoked, whether they smoke, whether someone in their family smokes, uses tobacco. What do they think about it? What questions do they have? That might help us be able to understand where they're coming from, which in turn will help us create messages that will help to change their behaviors.
The Let's Talk Tobacco online contest closes in mid-April, with the final winners announced in May. According to the Canadian Cancer Society, tobacco use contributes to 30% of cancer-related deaths in the province.